18 months ago, the confidence in these institutions was at an all-time low. That was as a consequence of rights being denied to people, of agreements being reneged upon, of scandal after scandal. And Martin McGuinness acted to bring all that to an end. Sinn Féin since then has dedicated ourselves to try and get the institutions back up and working on a proper basis where rights are acceptable on the basis of integrity in the executive and in the institutions themselves. We had an agreement last February in which we addressed those issues. The DUP walked away from that agreement and collapsed the talks. The response of the British government to that event was to prioritise their own survival ahead of the interests of the institutions here and adopt a do-nothing approach, which they have sustained ever since February. That means they acquiesce in the denial of rights here, denial of marriage equality rights, of language rights, of women's rights, of rights to access inquests, rights which are not denied in London, or indeed rights which aren't denied in Dublin. But those rights issues will continue to have to be addressed. They're still here. They're still part of the reason why this institution collapsed. They are going to have to be addressed in the resolution to all of that. We're a party of dialogue. We want to engage with other political parties and both governments to ensure these institutions are restored, but we will not be doing it on the basis of a denial of people's rights, and those issues need to be resolved. So 50 years on from the civil rights protest, rights will no longer continue to be denied, and we need to get back to a situation where this institution operates on the basis of the Good Friday Agreement, which people voted for, and operates on the basis of delivering for all of its citizens.
Sinn Féin, Goananus Carta agus Aontas na HÉireann, Equality, Rights and Irish Unity.